Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jess and in today's video we are going to be doing a stitch tutorial. The stitch we're going to learn today is a front post double crochet. It's super easy, so let's dive in. For today's tutorial, I'm just going to be using this value yarn. It's nothing special, it's just a size 4 medium weight yarn, and I'm just going to be using a 3.75 millimeter hook, but you use whatever yarn and hook you're using for the project you're going to be using this stitch for. Alright, so for this tutorial I have worked up a swatch here, and as you can see, these posts here that are sticking out, you can see there's one here, one here, one here, one here. That is the front post double crochet. So all I've done here is I've done a few rounds of these front posts. Now to start our tutorial here, I have a row of just double crochets across this row right here. And we're going to be making our front posts into that row. So as the description says, it is a double crochet. So first we're going to yarn over. Now, if you pull apart your stitches, you can see you have these posts here. So there's one, there's another one, there's another one. That's what we're going to be working around, is the post. We're not going to be working into the top of the stitch like we normally would in a double crochet. We're not going to be working into these V's. We're going to be working around this post. So I've already made 2 double crochets here. So we're going to skip the first 2 double crochets in this round because we've already crocheted into those. So I'm going to be working into this third one here. I would normally be crocheting into this stitch at the top, but instead I'm going to work around this post right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to yarn over. I'm going to insert my hook from front to back beside this post, and I'm going to loop around it so that my crochet hook is behind it. I'll do that again. So just isolate the post, go in from front to back beside that post, and then out through the other side of that post. So you're grabbing that post and your crochet hook is behind. Now all we're going to do is we're going to yarn over and pull through, and we're going to go ahead and just finish that double crochet like we normally would. And there is that front post double crochet. Now I'm just going to get to the next one here and we'll do that again. So I skipped, if you look back here, once I started double crocheting, I didn't go into that stitch we skipped because we crocheted around the post. So this stitch is going to remain empty. So I'm just going to do one more double crochet. All right, so we just did 3 more double crochets, which is these posts right here. So now we're going to be working into this post right here. So just make sure you isolate the correct post, yarn over, insert beside the post going front to back, grab that and go underneath like this. So you have your post in front of your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we're skipping that back stitch there because we already crocheted into the post, and we're going to continue along with whatever the pattern is that you're doing. I'm just doing a random pattern of 3 double crochets between posts, but I'm sure the pattern you're following has. So I'm just going to do one more. So we just crocheted into these 3 stitches, so I'm not going to go into these posts. We're going to work into this one right here. So I'm just going to yarn over, insert from front to back, come back out the other side of that post, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 to create your double crochet. These stitches always look super intimidating, but they're actually really easy to do. You just have to keep practicing. But that is how you do a front post double crochet. Now the pattern will only be on the one side. The other side doesn't look bad, but all the posts will be on the opposite side. So that's completely normal. So that is your front post double crochet. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments down below. Otherwise, we hope you guys have a lovely day and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!